The next one up's Margaret Kerr. Margaret's an ex-skill teacher, and this is the Kirk Moose.
There's no relevance whatever. This is a wee humorous slant on a serious occasion. It's the Moose's prayer. A pair wee Kirk Moose all forlorn, its furry coat fairly worn, sank down upon its bonny knees and prayed for just a wee bit cheese. The tears ran down its wee thin cheeks, but none could hear the saddest squeaks that drifted on the cold night air, the whiles it couldna pray nae mair. Sin daylight came. The kirk bells rang. The doors swung open with a bang. Communion day had come on by, with wine and plates of beef piled high. The wee moose lay as still as death, and watched it all with bated breath, then thought, if I keep awfully quiet, a wee bit might just fall off a plate. And so it gazed as Rooney went, then just as though it was heaven sent, whip landed right down upon its head, but 4 lumps of communion bread. The staff o' life lay on the flame, bound to his answer to his wee prayer, just as he thought, it looks fell dry. Yea, buddy, count some wine forby. Wee Moosey stoated up the aisle, wearing sic a boozy smile. The folk stopped singing, fair aghast to see a drunken moose walk past. The organist fell off his chair. The minister could only stare to see this drunken, sinful moose cavorting in his sacred house. At last it staggered up the nave, then turned and he'd a happy wave. I ken noo when it's time to pray. I'll do it every communion day.